How's it going, guys? So today we have a Honda Foreman ES. The customer states that it has a rear axle kind of noise to it. These things are known for either the rear axle or the drive shaft in these things to end up dying and causing to make some noise. So today we're gonna break into that and see what the problem is. Alright, now so I got the quad kind of hoisted up in the air. I got a little stand underneath there. Front tires are chocked so it doesn't move. I removed the tires now. One. Wheel number two. Alright, now that those are off, his seal is kind of crusty. I wonder if there's even oil in it. It sounds kind of... Oh yeah, there's definitely a bad bearing. So I think the outer bearings need to be changed on this, and I think this probably doesn't have any oil in it anymore. And I'm guessing probably that drive shaft is full of water and rust and stuff, so I guess we're gonna have to take this entire axle and differential all apart and see what the problem is. But I'm guessing, just from the looks of it, you can't really move it, but the seal is kind of falling out, and I think the bearing is kind of toast. So I ended up having to cut the cotter pin end out. See if I can get it out now. I don't understand why they use such soft cotter pins in here. I can't get it. Wow. Never had a cotter pin that was that hard to get out before. So now we got to do the other side. At least this one's a little bit easier, and it looks like it's already been serviced once. All right, grab the tool. Watch this. Pulls right out. Almost. A little bit straighter than it should. Look at that. This one's easier. Alright, now tighten the axle nuts off. Big socket. 30 mil. Perfect. Not that tight. It's going to come out pretty easily. The next one. Just like so. In the cup you go. All right. I guess beat and stick for this too. Yeah, there's the problem. It's got no more bearings left. Probably no more oil left in there either. Oh yeah. Chewed up in there pretty good. Alright, well. Time for the other side. Looks like a collar of some sort. I'm guessing this didn't die because the seal looks pretty good still. I'm gonna take this cover off. I hate drum brakes. 8 mil. Oops. One. Just gonna drop you down to the ground there. 2, 3. This one underneath. Yep, one underneath. Oop. I'm gonna pry that open. Ooh. It smells bad. It smells very bad. I'm not entirely sure how this comes off here. I guess I could just unbolt it from there. Yeah, unbolt those 4 bolts and this entire thing will come off. I don't think I have to take the mechanism off here. 14 it is. Wrench it is. Oh. Yeah, I don't typically work on quads very often. It's not something I like doing, but some people just want their shit done, so gotta do it. Plus it pays the bills, makes me money. I mostly specialize in bikes, motorcycles, dirt bikes kind of thing. Things with 2 wheels, not a lot of plastic and other shit that you don't really need in it. But there's also not a lot of good work out there either. Oh. So a lot of people come to me for their for the work, things that get done. Come loose now. All right, maybe prying device. Just a little bit of pry. Don't want it falling off. Don't want to take the axle with either. It's gonna take the axle with. What's this? I think it's an air vent. For needle nose. I hate these little tiny little lock wire kind of clamps here. Come on, you. Ah, there we go. Or did it break? I think it broke. It's another things with quads that people just kind of drive them into the ground. Don't do a lot of maintenance to them, don't clean them. And then I get them and I gotta fight to get this stuff apart. Come on. Then they get old and the weather cracked. Come on. There we go. I'm gonna put you guys down for a second. Alright, so we got the drum brake off. Oh, that's right there. It actually kind of looks kind of greased up in there, but it looks like the seal is kind of getting kind of crusty in there. There's this side axle. I think it actually just might come out or not. I don't know if there's a... looks like a seal rides in there. It's pretty crusty as well. Yeah, there's definitely no more oil inside this thing, and probably some problems. So I'm guessing this entire axle is gonna have to come apart. Alright, so I guess I'm bolted from there, I'm bolted from here, and I'm bolted from the shocks, and it all comes out. Pull this out. I have to bend those up. Yeah, I don't have to take off that, so yeah. Where's the nose again? There it is. Yeah, definitely, the other one definitely broke because this one's kind of rusty and crusty too. Let's pull this up here. Break it loose, push it forward. There we go. So I guess maybe take the skid plate off here first. Actually, I could take, I'll take this side axle, this shock nut off here. What's on the back there? No, it just bolts in. So I'll take the shock nuts off. Actually, I'm going to leave this one first. I'm going to take this one off, loosen all these off, and take this cover off here, and then loosen the skid plate bolts. What size do you think it is? 14. This time I can use the impact on for. Grab my chrome impact sockets, my Mastercraft impact gun. Come on, you. There we go. Ooh. Those are looking pretty crusty too. Put this back in there. Can I get the impact on angle there? Yeah. Where'd you go? Rolling away. Now, that, I'm guessing, is a 12. I was correct. Ooh, there they go. There goes all the shit. Yeah, there's definitely a problem. Definitely a problem. So maybe maybe it isn't the drive shaft. We're gonna have to take this apart first and kind of take a look at it, but definitely rear axle bearings. Oh, it came out pretty easy. Where's the other one? Thread these back in. Is that one? That one was on this. So there. All right, time to, I guess, take the diff off. Those 4 bolts, those 4 nuts here. This hitch has to come off. Yeah, the hitch has to come off. There's nuts underneath it. Who does this? Alright, so second. Let's go with that. I don't know if you saw some of that stuff, but yeah, it's pretty much ready to come out now. I'm just gonna hold it, kind of. That's gross. Push these bolts out here. And just kind of gently take that bolt out here. Nope, don't get in there. We'll heavy it up. Come on. Alright, so we got it. Oh, it's leaking. Just gonna leave it like that. Let it drain out a little bit. Yeah, there's the drive shaft, so it looks like it has some oil in there. I don't know. I think it was just that rear bearing. That's a disassembly of the Honda ATV here. And I'm guessing this is the culprit. The bearing let go. It's all over the floor, all little ball bearings and stuff. So I'm pretty sure that diff's okay. But we're going to take a look at it. It seems to be getting oil. It seems to be leaking out of there. Pulling this inner race out. I'm going to show you how to do that. Pretty sure that diff's okay, but we're going to take a look at it.
pretty rusty crusty.
So that's pretty much it for today.